I'm doing the third wall in my shower. I am not showing you my shower until I finish the whole entire bottom. So I need help with my rabbits. The white one bite out the black one balls because they're brothers. The white one is a badass. Monstrosity here hurt this one. So I took her. Come here, look here, boy. Yep, bite out in balls. So I don't know what's gonna happen to it. Hey. See. Come here now, show your balls. See. Ah. See, you have it dangling there. He's not gonna survive, right? There his balls dangling out of his thing. Oh my god. I don't need. That bitch ain't pregnant because I have her over a month now and it took him 28 days. I have her over 4 weeks now. I'm a one woman army. All right, check this out. Wait, is it rolling? Okay, so that's my edge. This right here is my edge. Oh, my broom. I put that in there because when I have guests, I have to end up showering in my piece of monstrosity of a bathroom. So this morning I did this. That one built the other day, that one. So this is gonna be a closet. I gotta get, the guy gotta come back. Somebody gotta come and dig this up. They told me they charge $4,000 a day, 4,000 Jamaican dollars. So I gotta get that done because it's hard and we definitely can't manage it. It's very, very hard. The ilte is terrible. Yeah, my socks got wet, so I put it there to dry. Subscribe.